7. Remarkable health benefit of kiwi. From immunity to skin growth. Kiwi, also known as the kiwi fruit or Chinese gooseberry, is a nutrient-rich fruit with a vibrant green flesh and a sweet tart flavor. High in vitamin C. Kiwis are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system, fight off infection, and protect the body from free radicals that can cause oxidative stress. Rich in fiber. Kiwis are a good source of dietary fiber which aids in digestion, helps maintain bowel regularity, can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially assisting with weight management. Support eye health. Kiwis contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two important compounds that are beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants may help protect the eyes from harmful ultraviolet UV rays and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Promotes heart health. Kiwis are known to be heart-friendly due to their high potassium content, which help maintain proper heart function and blood pressure level. Additionally, the fiber content in kiwis may help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Provide antioxidants. Kiwis are a rich source of various antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, polyphenols and carotenoids, which help neutralize free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress, thus protecting cells from damage. Improve skin health. The high vitamin C content in kiwis play a vital role in collagen synthesis, contributing to skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. The antioxidants also help in maintaining healthy skin by protecting it from environmental damage. Support digestive health. The enzymes present in kiwis, such as actinidin, aids in breaking down proteins, making it easier for the body to digest food. Feel awake and energized as you quench your thirst. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with digestive issues.